my favorite bunch of beauties. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to my second video for Filmora Basics. I did promise you all that I will be coming back to you all with a video about how to use transitions. So that is what this video is going to be about. So I am going to jump right into the video. I am actually going to try and start editing some videos that I have to edit for this week. So you all will probably be seeing me edit my Monday morning makeup, my makeup basket for the week, because that's the first one I'm going to be editing. And we will be doing a screen share so you can see everything that I am doing. I hope you enjoy the video and have a great week. And I'll see you soon. Bye. Alright beauty, so I'm back and I am going to show you how I do transitions in my videos. And first I want to tell you what a transition is, and basically put, a transition is a technique that's used to sort of combine one clip to another one so you can smoothly go from one scene to the next, and it keeps your video from looking all chopped up. Or it's sort of a special, to me I use it more as a special effect. So what I mean by that is like I'm going to show you this one right here, and it's called the fade, and that's what I use for every video. I use it at the end of my intro and at the beginning of my outro, so it sort of lets you know that one scene is ending and the other scene is starting. So if I can grab it, we'll grab the fade here, and I slide it between two clips, which I showed you in the last Filmora video. And I always go back. If you see where my cursor is here, if this pops up, do not delete it because it will throw off the whole timeline. Just let it stay. It'll eventually disappear. But I usually just hit play. What's up to my favorite bunch of beauties? That shows you that the intro is ending and the video is starting. Now, another way to use transitions is if you have to cut your video up, and I'm just sliding down because I've already started editing. I am just sliding down to where, let's see, I think I had to clip off the end of my video, and hang on, let me find that. Sometimes it is hard. Right here. So right in this area here is where I had to chop a little piece out of my video. So what I will normally do is to put something fun right there just to kind of catch your eye and just to keep your interest because you see something different on the screen. So what I am going to do is to go back to transitions again, and I'm just going to choose something interesting. Like, let's see, what is this glitch? Let's see, we'll take the glitch. I'm gonna, for the things that I did not use. And let's see what happens when I drag that one down. So you'll drag it down and you'll put it between your two clips. Then we'll go back and see if I like that. And that is it for the things that I did not use. I am going to be, actually we're going to take this and slide it here. And I'm going to go back. And we're going to hit play. And that is it for the things that I did not use. So now I am going to, so that's an interesting way I can go from one scene to the other one without you actually realizing that I cut a bit out of that one. And that is basically it for doing transitions. Like I said, with Filmora, they have a lot of transitions to choose from. It just depends on your individual style. Like I'm going to delete this one. I am going to go to the one that says shutters, and we are going to drag that one down to between those two clips that I cut. Things that I did not use. So now and it takes you to, am going to be using, so it's all just a whatever your newer foundation. Like, okay, we have it in mask. We'll fix that later. That I am showing you so far, and this is the Dalton. I don't know why I'm talking over myself, but it's just mostly drag and drop, and that's basically it. It is just a matter of finding the transition that you like, or that would give the feeling to your video that you would like it to give, and just dragging it between two clips so that your video flows smoothly from one scene to the next one. That's it. It is just that easy. And remember, like I said, if you see one with a pink diamond on it, you either have to have a subscription for the effects, or you're going to, I think, have to pay individually for the transition or anything you see with this pink diamond on it. Thank you all so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you are already subscribed, please hit that notification bell so you know when I have a new video coming out. Have a great day, and don't let your day be a waste of makeup. Bye.